ASUS router double NAT detected. Bridge mode configuration. Step 1. Accessing your ASUS router settings. First, open your web browser and navigate to your ASUS router IP address. Log in with your administrative username and password. Step 2. Navigating to operation mode. Once you're in the router's interface, look for administration under the advanced settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on administration. Step 3. Within the administration section, you'll see a tab or option for operation mode. Click on it. Here, you'll find different operation modes for your router. Select access point or AP mode or bridge mode. Step 4. Configure IP settings for bridge mode. Once you select bridge mode or AP mode, the router will prompt you to configure its IP address. You often choose Get IP automatically if your main router handles DHCP. If you prefer, you can also assign a static IP address to your ASUS router that is within your main network subnet but outside its DHCP range. Step 5. Applying changes and connecting cables. After configuring the IP settings, click Apply to save the changes. Your router will reboot into bridge mode. Remember to connect an Ethernet cable from a LAN port on your main router to a LAN port on your ASUS router. Note, do not use the WAN port on the ASUS router in bridge mode. This setup ensures your ASUS router acts as an extension of your main network, eliminating double NAT.